In this activity, it is called 52 card pickup. They recommend this for 3rd grade. In Act 1, we watch as the guide drops a certain amount of cards. In this one, you would ask how many cards did he drop, and then you would ask the students to write down a guess. And then as we move to Act 2, this one isn't a video, but it just kind of asks the students for more questions. You would ask what information would be useful to figure this out. In this one, you would just ask the students to problem solve on what kind of information they would need in order to know how many cards they have on the ground versus how many cards he has left. And then they would write down some of their questions to share with the class. And this one would be a good thing for measurements. You could do adding and subtracting like fractions or decimals, doing millimeters, or you could do centimeters. It doesn't really matter what size you do. And then in Act 3, you would just count the cards simply to see if the students were right, who was the closest, how they figured out their answer. So, as you can see, there were 38 cards on the ground, and the only information they're not allowed to ask you is how many cards he has left in his hand. Even though that would be the easiest way to solve it, we want him to do more difficult math on more like doing measurements. If this one's 14.2 millimeters long and this one's 10.378 meters long, how many meters is one card and how many are you missing? And then the Common Core standards, as you can see here.